Hi everyone, it's Aska here. In this video, I will show you how to make flower art easily by just adding a little something to $1 nail stickers. By adding a little extra touch to the stickers, you can make $1 nail stickers look more expensive. This method can be used with any stickers, so please watch until the end. Okay, let's get started. Let's start by doing some nail care beforehand. Lightly sanding the nail surface, removing any oil with ethanol, and then applying a base coat and curing it with the light. First, apply your favorite color gel as a base color. In this case, we will be using this sheer white. This time, we want to achieve a translucent effect, so we've applied a semi-transparent color gel, but it's also recommended to create a clear base without applying color gel. Once you've finished applying the gel to the entire nail, harden it by exposing it to the nail light. Normally, color gel is applied twice, but in this case, we are going to apply it once to make the nails look more transparent. Next, let's apply the stickers. This time, we'll be using this flower nail stickers from the $1 shop. There are various designs of flower stickers on sale, so please use your favorite ones. In the case of this design, we recommend the larger flowers. We'll be making one flower by combining 4 petals. Now, let's apply these stickers to the nails. When applying stickers to your nails, there will be some sticky uncured gel left on the nail surface. So first of all, let's wipe this off. If you just apply the stickers as they are, they won't stick. So let's first wipe off the uncured gel left on the surface of your nails using a kitchen paper soaked in ethanol. Once you have wiped off the uncured gel, you can apply the stickers. Gently peel off the sticker with tweezers and apply it to your nail. Once it is on your nail, use a silicone stick to firmly press it into place. If you press it into place with your fingers, it will easily come off due to oil from your skin. So use a silicone stick as much as possible. After applying 1 petal, apply 3 more in the same way to create one large flower. Add smaller petals while checking the balance. After applying the stickers, place a crystal in the center of the large flower. Apply a small amount of base coat to the center of the flower. Then, place the 3 crystals. Once the crystals have been applied, cure them using a nail light. Next, apply non-wipe top coat to the entire nail. Coating stickers and crystals here. Once you have applied the top coat to the entire nail, cure it. Now, let's add the finishing touches to the stickers. We'll be using icing gel for this. Let's use this icing gel to make the flower look plump and three-dimensional. First, prepare a long thin line brush and put a generous amount of icing gel on the tip of the brush. When a drop of gel forms at the tip of the brush, gently place it on the petal. After applying the icing gel, guide the gel along the shape of the petal. Be careful not to stick out beyond the petals. Now, we've made one plump petal. To prevent the icing gel from dripping, after making one petal, hold it under a nail light for about 5 seconds to temporarily hardening. It's a bit of hassle, but if you proceed to temporarily hardening each petals as you go, you can make them even plumper. Let's apply the icing gel in the same way to the remaining 3 petals. Once you have plumped up the 4 petals, expose it to the nail light for the amount of time indicated on the gel to completely harden it. The icing gel we use this time is a type that doesn't leave sticky uncured gel behind, so this completes the process. How did you like the flower nail art made using $1 stickers? With just a little extra effort and plumpness, you can create high-end looking flower art using $1 nail stickers, so be sure to give it a try. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button. And if you like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye.